Okay, now here we go for method 2. Now we're going to select this center line. Just highlight it there and press X and V. Now we've got a sketch plane on a section. So what I'm going to do here is to move, see down here there's a little icon with a plane and an arrow on it, which means you can move the section plane or sketch plane. So we've got some arrows. If we click and hold on the blue one, we can drag it until we're within the solid part of here. Right, now we can go to sketch, rectangle, press V to square it up. It's put it vertical for us. We could still work with that, but here's another little handy thing. Down here in the bottom left, we've got this gadget here. It's got a big circle around it. Now if you click on the circle, you start to rotate this thing, put it where you want it. Now there we are. So I'm now going to draw a rectangle on here. Make sure you get the bottom surface. You can draw your rectangle as I'm doing there now, or you can put a line in and make it a mirror line, but any way of doing it is fine. So there we have a rectangle on that plane, that section. So press the P key to put us in design mode and into the pull tool. Now whoops, we say, well, what's going on here? We can't see it. Where is the plane? Well, it's here somewhere. It's in there. Can you see that line? So to select it, we select it in the structure tree over here. So we select that and we see it has a little arrow. It's pointing that way, but we want to come this way. Take it away a bit. We want to add material, so down here we can select add and then click and drag. And again we can select corners on 0.5, return. Oops, I deselected this one by the look of it. Yes, I should have held the control key to select them both. There we are. 0.5. Right, that's method 2.